Around the globe, people are awakening. While many are experiencing hardship, fear and frustration, and disconnection, something magical is also taking place. More people are beginning to look within, to ask themselves the challenging questions, like, who am I really? What matters to me? What difference am I going to make? And now more than ever, people are seeking guidance to uncover, empower, and live in alignment with their truth. Whatever specific services you offer as a coach, consultant, creative, or healer, we're entering a new era. Will you be ready to go deeper, to be more truthful, and to hold a more potent transformational space than has ever been required of you? You already have natural talent in this area, a magic if you will. But to truly answer the call requires more. It's time to discover the most effective structure to reliably deliver the transformation your clients crave while unlocking the magic you were born to share. Enter Shift the Field. Shift the Field teaches an energy shifting approach to your service-based business. You'll learn how to expertly guide your clients through a reliable process for transformation, leaving them in a whole new energy field, making all the rest of your work with them more fun and effective. You'll discover how to offer the services that matter most to your clients without running yourself ragged. You'll allow your intuitive or your spiritual magic to flow without believing you have to sneak it in the back door. Shift the Field, how to deliver the transformation your clients crave while unlocking the magic you were born to share by Darla Ledoux, me, is available on all major online book retailers April 12th. Purchase before April 16th and receive the Unlock Your Magic training bundle for free. The world is changing. The demand for transformational work is on the rise, and this is great news. What could we collectively shift in the world if more magical humans like you claimed their power to shift the field?